How to log in into Shein account. First of all, launch the Shein application in your mobile device. Now to log in, once on your home page, navigate to the bottom dashboard. There, at the bottom right corner, tap on Me. Under this page, there at the top left corner, there is Sign In or Register option. Tap on it. That will take you to the sign in page. Here, to sign in, you can either use your email or phone number linked with your account, or you can also continue with your Facebook or your Google account as well. Here, simply type in the email or phone number associated with your account or that you have used while creating the account. After that, tap on continue and it will ask you to enter your password as well. Type in your correct password and after you're done, you will be logged in into your Shein account if you have entered the correct login credential. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.